Hello friends, welcome to another weekly dose of railways. Let's have quick recap. Now let's start today's episode. Police officer pulled a pilot from a crash-landed plane seconds before it was hit by train. High-speed Amtrak train creates snow blizzard. Class 66 and LMS Duchess of Sutherland racing through Wellingborough Station. Amtrak 392 at track speed of 80 miles per hour. This is simulation of train collision with the bus. Line car coming up the hill towards the turntable, and it is used for the general maintenance work. Footplate ride on a steam engine in a Christmas. Please like, share video and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon. All the sources will be linked in the description. Thanks for watching and we will meet next week.